Okay, that's all the parts for a turbocharger. So for assembly a turbo, the first step we put on the wheels together. Put on the bearing housings and the general bearings into the housing and the truss bearing. So these bearings are for oil go through and to make sure the wheels turns in the bearing housing. OK， 这个不用了，直接把这个装上去吧。
这些都可以了。
Yeah, so now put on the turbine wheel, go through, and the other side is the compressor wheel. This is for high performance, so it's with some colors on it. And we'll tighten the nuts. Then put on the housings. So this side is use this clamp. Of course, we'll use the tool. This side is the. So this turbo is for the BMW N54 engine. Yeah. Okay, come bring it in. Yeah, that's basically a turbo. Then we use a torque wrench to tighten all the parts.
Yes, after the crunching and then the complete.
Yeah, that's a whole turbo for BMW N54.
This production for the BMW 54, right?
Yeah, N54
N54.
engine. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much for giving the detailed information. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, next the other item that I'm looking in here. This one part of that some of the material for the turbocharging. So, Mr. Loki, could you please explain to this what kind of the material?
Yes, this is aluminum and for billet wheel. So this is raw material and the finished product is like this. We put in the CNC machine and the machine to billet is to a compressed wheel in the turbocharger. Just like this.
And then can you show me the other side?
The other side is made of it's a high nickel iron. It's called a turbine wheel. It's different material.
Okay, thank you for giving me information. Let's see let's check the equipment for make the production in this factory. So. Mr. Rocky, can you explain to this equipment for using what?
Oh, this machine is to machine the bearing housing. That's in the middle of the turbo. So it's a raw casting and use this machine to drill the holes and machine the top surface and the bottom and drill the holes. And that's the bearing housing of the turbo.
Okay, thank you.
For the aluminum products like the pipe or the compressor covers to machine it to the finished one, to machine the inside and also the assembly side, also the pipe. Yeah, this one is almost finished.
Okay, to everybody, thank you for watching my video. Finally, that I want to the closing man. So if you and then someone want to buy this turbocharger, Mr. Rocky, how to connect and then contact your company? Please tell me that.
Okay, if you want more turbocharger information, you can check the website for the Honeywell or Borgwana.com. They have many turbo information there. But if you want to buy aftermarket version of this turbo, please contact us at below link and also email to us.
Okay, thank you very much. See you later.